Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make Nsala soup, a native soup for all the way from eastern part of the country. It's known as white soup, and it's being a New Yam festival, so I decided to celebrate the New Yam festival with Nsala soup. To make this Nsala soup, I have my protein, intestine and beef. I'm using pepper. You can use dry pepper, depends on what you have. I also have my hot leaf, that we call it also that leaf. Hot leaf is also the seed. I have my egg roll. I have my crayfish. The egg roll is also known as I have a calabash. Yes, it's very necessary for the soup. And I have my catfish. Yes, it's needed for this white soup. I also have my stockfish. What is white soup without stockfish? Yes, and I also have my dry fish, which I'll be using to make this soup. Also, I have my gomo, it's called cow skin, and also have my fermented local beef that is called ogiri in Igbo language. To begin this, into a clean pot, add in your protein, then add in your water, then you add some seasoning cube because this is a native soup, doesn't require a lot of spices. It only needs just native and traditional spices. Add a little bit of salt, then add more water to cook because it's white soup. You're not using oil to cook it. So add in my oil, my water, then I cover for like 10 minutes. Then I go back again to check. At this point, I'll be adding my local beef fermented. It's called ogiri. Adding it is very necessary for this our soup that we are making today. After adding in, you add in your stock fish because this stock fish kind of hard, so you need to cook it along with the beef. And not add it at any initial stage. I added my yam also. The thickening, this is what I'll use for thickening it. Yes, I added the yam to cook along with the meat. At this point, after like 5 to 10 minutes, the yam is almost before it's done. I'll be scooping it out to maybe to smash it to pound it to a softer texture. So I'll add it back to the soup to thicken the soup. We don't use cocoyam to thicken the soup for this white soup. Use your yam. I smash it with my mortar. The next I'm adding is my pepper. Yes, this pepper I blended it with crayfish. I also added my egg African calabash. Now I go in with my dry fish, washed and clean dry fish. Everything will go inside now. Then you start cooking for like 5 minutes. After which your yam is already ready. The one you pounded for thickening is ready. Next thing you'll be doing is to go in with your pounded yam. Yeah, the yam you smashed earlier. This will help you to thicken. Yes, it's to thicken the soup. This soup is mainly enjoyed by the eastern part of the country. It's one of the native soup we enjoy our early one. I also have my yams getting ready to be pounded. I came back again to check on my soup. My soup is almost done. It's thickening already. You can see the texture by the view. You see the it's already thickening. Then I'll go in with my catfish. So this should be the last thing you'll be doing. I go in with my catfish to not scatter inside the soup. I add more crayfish. Yes, I added more crayfish. It's very necessary to add crayfish. This is the native soup, so you need more of the natural spices. So when I just stir it, don't stir it more so you will not break the fish. But this fish doesn't take time. At least if it's much more of 5 to 10 minutes, it should be okay. At this point, the soup is almost ready. The next thing I'll be going in is to go in with my hot leaf. That is ozaza. It's called hot leaf because you can also use the seed. I go in with my chopped hot leaf. This particular leaf is what now upgraded to the standard ofen sala, that is white soup. With this leaf now, everywhere around your neighborhood is already filled with a nice aroma of Nsala soup. This soup is so delicious, and I hope you'll be trying it. This me checking it. This is the last checking out did, and it's already ready. Then I served my. You can see how yummy and nice it's looking. I served mine with my pounded yam. Yes, I pounded it with my food processor. I use this to make this pounded yam. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this white soup. Thanks for watching. Do well to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment. Let me know what kind of soup you would like me to upload on my channel in my next video.